GoHighLevel free trial opportunities are a great way to test the platform before deciding whether it's worth the investment. If you've been thinking about trying GoHighLevel, I've included a link below that will help you get started. Rather than relying on reviews, tutorials, or other people's opinions, you'll be able to log in and experience the platform yourself. That means building funnels, setting up automations, organizing contacts, testing marketing tools, and seeing how the software fits your business goals. The process couldn't be much simpler. Just click the link in the description or pinned comment, create your account, and follow the onboarding steps. Once you're inside, you can start exploring the features that matter most to you. I also recommend using your trial period to complete at least one real project, whether that's launching a funnel, creating a workflow, or setting up a lead pipeline. You'll get a much better understanding of the platform by actively using it rather than just browsing through menus. As a bonus, I've included some additional resources for viewers who sign up through that page. You'll find a full breakdown of everything included in the description below. So if you're looking for a GoHighLevel free trial, check out the link below, create your account, and start testing the platform for yourself today.